Logic elements. Pressure control functions. In the introduction to two-way logic elements, it was mentioned that these could also be used as pressure control elements. In this respect, they are effectively pilot-operated pressure valves which are available in the following models. As pressure relief elements. As pressure reducing elements. As pressure sequence elements. 1. Pressure relief function. The cartridge element or the pressure relief function, bush, 4, spool, 5, and spring, 10, is available as a poppet valve or as a poppet/spool valve. 1.1 Pressure relief function with manual pressure setting. At rest, the spool, poppet valve or poppet/spool valve, separates portA, the pressure port, from B, the tank port. Pressure is present on both ends of the spool. As the areas are the same, the forces are also equal. Spring, 10. Therefore holds the spool in the start position shown, figures, and ports A and B are separated from each other. In contrast to a directional logic element, a pressure logi sealant for a pure pressure function, has no working area at port B. This means that the annulus area A, is no longer present. When the system pressure reaches the level set at the pilot valve, 3, fluid flows via the orifices in the control line to tank via Y. Pressure setting is via the pilot valve, 3. The pilot valve itself is a direct operated pressure relief valve. A pressure drop occurs across orifice, 7, which causes a difference in pressure between the ends of the main spool. When the upward force produced by a product of the pressure drop and the spool area becomes greater than spring force 10, the spool moves upwards and excess fluid can flow from A to B and thus to tank. The pressure in port A is thus limited to the set value. Function. Pressure present at port A passes to the pilot valve, 3, via the control line, yellow, orifice, 7, and control line, 9, and via the further orifice, 8, to the spring-loaded side of the main spool. At rest, i.e. when the pressure in the system is lower than the value set at the pilot valve,